morning Pink Angels, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and welcome if you're new. My name is Amy and today I'm going to be talking you through my summer morning routine. So this summer my morning routine has obviously been a little bit different as I still am not back at work, so I've been allowing myself a little bit extra time in the mornings, which is totally fine by me. So I set my alarm for around 8:30 or 9 o'clock if I let myself lie in a little, and that just allows me to take my time and check my phone. I normally reply to my good morning texts and then I go on Instagram. Mine is just at Aloha Amy _ and you can feel free to follow me if you like. So I normally just have a little flick through Insta and then try and avoid going on TikTok in the morning because I'll just lay in bed for another hour if I have the chance on TikTok. So I just check my phone and laze about and eventually get up. So once I eventually manage to get myself up and out of bed, the first thing I do is open up my curtains. I think that really helps me to wake up by letting in the daylight. And if you're wondering, my pyjamas are from Boux Avenue. I think they're really cute. And then I head straight down to the kitchen, and it was my birthday this week and I received this beautiful blue coffee machine from Swan. I'm absolutely obsessed. It's the same range as my baking mixer and I just think it's so beautiful, and I've been loving making myself my morning coffee. So I'm making a vanilla latte, which is my absolute favourite coffee, and it's just so much fun making this and the coffee tastes amazing. So that's my favourite thing to do in the mornings, and honestly what really gets me out of bed. As I'm dairy free, I use almond milk to make my coffee, but I've been making other people coffees as well and just using normal milk, and this machine is really great for any type of coffees. It's just so much fun to use. So making myself a nice foamy latte and then decorating the top with a little bow because it looks really cute. And then I always like to take an Instagram of my morning coffee. I just can't help myself, so that's what I've been doing. And then I also had some banana cinnamon toast for breakfast. I'm so predictable. I'm pretty sure I did that in my last video. It's just my favourite breakfast, and when we have bananas and toast in the house, I have to make that, so I love it. So this is my yummy breakfast. I absolutely love how this coffee turned out. It was really tasty, and so was my breakfast, and that keeps me full until lunchtime. So I like to just go and sit by the window in my house and maybe watch Friends or something nice and chill and quiet in the mornings and just enjoy the sun coming through the window. And then eventually I head upstairs back to my bedroom, and I like to light a candle. This one is from Yankee Candle and it's the one with a kind of crackly wick. It's really cool, it's very relaxing, and this one is in the scent Coastal Sunset and it smells really nice. So then I go and brush my teeth. Once I've brushed my teeth, it's time for my favourite part of getting ready, and that is my skincare routine. So I'm using this Sonic cleansing brush from Magnatone. I was very kindly sent this and I absolutely love it. It really does make my skin feel so much cleaner and fresher than just using my fingers to wash my face. I love it, and I'm using this with my Pixie Rose cleanser, which is my favourite. It smells really nice and it's just very gentle and moisturising on my skin, and this brush has really made a difference in my skin. Even after using it once, I noticed how much more clean my skin felt. So this has really been helping to make my skin look smoother as well. So I just pop my cleanser onto my face when it's a little bit damp, and then I dampen the cleansing brush, and then I just go ahead and put it on the daily cleansing mode. There's also a deep cleansing mode, but I only do that 1 or 2 times a week. And then I just go ahead and massage my face in small circles, and I think this wakes up my skin as well and makes it really bright and fresh looking. Once I've washed my face, I then go and make my bed because I like it to look nice and neat. So once I've made my bed, it's time to get on with the rest of my skincare routine. So I always tone my skin using a hydrating toner, which is the vitamin E one from the Body Shop, and then I take my Magnetone again and I apply my serum first with my fingers, and then I take the Magnetone with a different attachment and massage my serum into my skin. This really helps to waken up my skin and make it look really glowing. And then I'm popping on my new favourite activewear set, which is from Victoria's Secret Pink. I just love the print, it's very Aloha, I adore it, and it's quite warm outside, so that's why I've gone for bike shorts. And then on top of it I've just got this little top which I got from Amazon, and it shows the back of the crop top really nicely. So I think this is such a pretty outfit, and I love the lace detailing on the side of the shorts. I decided to put on a little bit of makeup today just to make myself feel a little bit more put together. I'm just doing some uni work today and editing this video, so really nothing exciting, but I might go out for a run. And then I am popping on my deodorant and my new favourite spray, which I got for my birthday. It's the Tropical Spritz from Victoria's Secret, and it smells like holidays. I love it. Then, no matter what I'm doing, every day I love to put on my bracelets. So I've got my Thomas Sabo, and then my little silver bracelet that I got for my 21st. And then I put my Fitbit on because I was going for a run. And then that is me sorted. And I just tied my hair up into a ponytail, and then that is me good to go for the day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!